Each peg has just one stitch on it now. Now we are going to do a row of E-wrap. So what we do is you're going to E-wrap just the collar you're using, so your stripes will continue for a little bit more. See what I'm doing? So you go around, wrap one collar, then you go around, wrap the other collar, and then you knit off. When you get back to your last peg you're going to wrap, you want that string to be to the inside. You want the string to be to the inside from your previous collar. And then you go around the entire loom and knit off. You're going to do 2 more rows like this. 3 rows are done. See that on the inside. Okay, so now we want to get rid of some of the bulk before we do our cast off. So what you're going to do is, it doesn't matter if you go to the left or the right or whatever, just whichever way. Since I've been moving everything this way, so you're going to move the stitch over and knit off. Move the stitch over, knit off. Do this all the way around the loom. Okay, so you should only have 1 collar remaining. It doesn't matter whichever you choose. The only reason I chose the purple is because I was running low on the other one. So you can cut the string for the other collar. I'll just move it to the inside. We will weave that in later. We're going to do 1 more row of E-wrap just on the pegs with stitches. Then we are going to do a flat top bind off.